How to remove device management from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. General manages your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Inside the General menu, scroll all the way down to find and tap on VPN and device management. This section allows you to configure VPN settings and manage profiles installed from your school or company. Once you are on your VPN and device management page, from here you can remove device management on your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily remove device management from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.